Hello dear students, very good morning to all of you. Welcome you all to English language class. So today we'll proceed further with the chapter articles. So in the last class we have already started the use of definite articles. You also know now very well. So there are two types of articles. Definite articles and indefinite articles, and article can be used as an adjective, and this is also known as a determiner. But this article doesn't have all the 3 degrees. That's why we don't call it adjective, but this is called determiner. Okay. So let's further with the use of the. You know very well, the is used when you are talking about the particular thing. It's not many things, particular thing. There are many things and you are denoting that particular thing. Then you will say the. As open the window. Okay, there are many windows, but you want the particular window, that window to be open. That's why I am saying open the window. Second, when you are talking about the name of a special designation, special buildings, this is the name of a special, you can say, arts. Okay, so you are using the. See here, as the queen. Okay, the queen. See, the queen. Now it is also used then newspaper also, the Times of India. Okay, building the Taj Mahal. So you have seen this is important as special positions. Name of newspaper, building, name of arts. That's why you have used. We have used the before that. Okay. So now you have also learned we use the before superlative. Okay. As my favorite flower is the rose. Okay. No, this is not be correct. Superlative I have said. So he is the most intelligent student in our school. Okay. So now next you have learned when you are referring to second time, referring to person or thing second time, then you are using the. A boy is reading a story book in the library. Okay. So if you are referring to the same boy again, you will say the boy is reading a story book in the library. Okay. Now there is one more thing that we have already learned, that is adjective. When adjective has plural nouns hidden in it, you are using the before that. For example, the poor, it means the poor people. If you say the rich people. If you say the young, it means the young people. So now let's study further. So when you are talking about something unique, there is only one of its kind, use the. And sun is only one, so the sun. Stars, the stars are unique, you know, so the stars. Okay. Now before nouns used as a qualifier, prepositional phrase or relative clause. If you find a noun being used as a qualifier, means just like it modifies something. Okay, it gives something more information. Generally in prepositional phrase or relative clause. See here, the man who is talking to you came here yesterday. Okay, the man who is talking to you came here yesterday. The man lying there is not my friend. This is phrase. Okay, so now see here, he is not the man whom I love. Here this is relative clause. See here. So this noun denotes something about Okay, denotes something. It is work as, it is used as a qualifier. The man whom I love. Okay, so this is an adjective clause, you can say. So here in adjective clause we use the, or before relative conjunction you can say we use the. See here, if there is a noun, okay, before relative conjunction must use the before that noun. As here, the man. This is before here relative conjunction. Whom? I have no idea about the history of this place. So here this is phrase, the history of this place. Next, when you find singular noun, but it denotes its whole class, all the things of its kind, we use the before that. As the whale is the largest mammal. Okay? Okay. Now, the owl cannot see during day. Okay. Now here, my favorite flower is the rose. It means you are talking about all the rose. Whatever rose is, you are talking about all the rose. So you have used here the. Okay. Now if you find this kind of construction, comparative construction and comparative degree generally at the beginning of the clause. So for the example, see here. See here. See, the higher we go, the colder it is. Okay. The more he gets, the more he wants. Is it clear? Okay. Now, let's see the next rule. When do you use definite article? You use the before proper noun. Okay, and this is the title actually. Title means surname, but it denotes whole family, and it is used in plural. And the Sharmas means family of Mr. Sharma. The Sinhas, okay, it means family of Mr. Sinha. Okay. Now, here we generally use the before the name of holy books as the Ramayana, the Bible, the Quran. Okay. See. Well, next rule is we use the before the name of desert as the Thar. Okay, Thar desert is the Sahara. Islands. Okay, the Arabian islands. Now, sea. Okay, use the before name of sea. The Arabian Sea. Okay. Now, river. The Ganga. Okay. We use the. Now, chain of mountains. The Himalayas. This is chain of mountains. Okay. But we don't use the before Mount Everest, because this is not chain of mountain. Okay. Now, use the before plural name of countries as the United States of America. Okay, states is here. Then the Netherlands, plural name. That's why the. Now we use the before the language. We use the before the name of language if it gives meaning of the people of a particular country. Okay, if you say the French, it means the people of France. If you say the English, what does it mean? The people of England. If you say the Spanish, it means the people of Spain. If you say the Spain, it means people of Spain. Okay. In the same idea, students, you have learned how to use definite article. Okay, you know, which is generally when you are talking about a particular thing, when you are referring second time, when it is you are talking about something unique. Okay, then you are using the for that. Okay. Generally it gives meaning of sometimes only, one. Okay, and in this way you have learned the rules of the. So hope you all have enjoyed this lesson. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.